With another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Rpgshow. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'm going to be showcasing a bob wig, and this is what the packaging looks like. You get this nice little sturdy box. It also comes with a little velvet bag. If you have watched my channel before, you guys have definitely seen me unbox this company plenty of times. Your unit does come wrapped up like this, and in the box they included a wig cap. They also included an elastic band, flyaway tamer, the wig details. You will also get a magazine. You'll also get this little storage bag to put your unit in once you are done wearing it. See what this bob looks like. I'm just gonna take the netting off. Get it off. So as you can see, it is in a natural color, and this is a Yaki texture, because y'all know Yaki texture is absolutely my fave. But it looks like straight out of the pack. I'm not gonna go in and wash it or anything because I don't feel like it needs to. You can definitely see the fullness on this. Definitely tell that the knots have already been bleached. So you get 2 combs on the side. You also get an elastic band. You'll get a comb in the back and your adjustable straps. So it does have a 13x6 parting space area. And this one is 14 inches on the right side and then 12 inches on the left. And it states that it is 200% in density. To rock this unit glueless, so I'm gonna just place on my wig cap. Units usually fit me really good, so I don't have to worry about the fit on it. But I might throw on my silicone band. I'm just gonna place this on for extra security. I will say that all silicone bands are definitely not made equal. 2 in my drawer. These are very, very tight where they give me a headache. This one doesn't give me a headache. So the fit on these are definitely not all the same. I like to turn it where it's like right here. So this one is definitely more comfortable, and then I'm gonna pull this cap back a little bit. I went ahead and cut the lace off in the back. I also adjusted my straps, and I tightened up this elastic band. So I'm just gonna place this on just to see how it fits. This is what it is looking like so far. I'm just going to grab my comb because this wig is definitely thick. You can see that it is longer on this side and a little bit shorter on this side, but not too short to where it's like gonna be super, super dramatic. But you can tell the difference. So I'm just gonna kind of comb all that back so I can see what this hairline is given, because I already have a feeling I'm gonna have to kind of like press it back. But this is what the hairline is looking like. So they did go in and pre-pluck this. Hopefully once I kind of add my hot comb and press everything out, you will see it a bit better. And then I want to show you guys the parting space on this. So the parting space on this is definitely good. It does go all the way back. So that's very deep parting. Of course, when you go too far over, you will end up running into some tracks. So most of your parting space is gonna be like in this area right here. Now this does come parted as a left side part. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Could you move this over to the right side? I feel like you could, and it's still going to look good. It's just like right here is going to be a bit too long, but if you want to kind of cut it even so you can rotate, I think that'll be fine because you're not gonna have to cut off too much. But yeah, you could definitely move that parting space around, but I'm gonna leave it as is. I end up elongating this parting space just so you can see it a bit more. And I'm just gonna leave it parted and then just kind of flatten everything out. Like I said, I wanna go for a glueless look today. I do have my spray out and everything just in case, but I think I should be good to go. Work on this unit and get it all laid and slayed. And of course, I will be back with the final look so I can also tell you guys my final thoughts. installing this unit and I want to give you guys my final thoughts on it. I love the texture of this hair. You guys know I am a big fan of Yaki texture just because I feel like it looks so realistic and it doesn't have a heavy sheen to it. So I am loving it. It feels really nice and soft. However, this hair is very thick. So if you are not a fan of heavy density, you might want to see if they offer a lower density when it comes to this style because it's thick. They were not playing about the density on this hair. I mean, you can really see how nice and full it is at the ends. I did have to go through the parting space area with my hot comb just to get everything to lay down because I feel like it was just a bit too humpy. So now it is laying down really well. I also used the flyaway tamer and then I elongated the parting space on this side and then just hot comb back here. The fit on this is great. It's really good. However, like I said, this is just a really heavy density. And if you are not a fan of a lot of hair during the summertime, yeah, you might want to skip this density. But the hair on it is really cute. I will say that. But this is definitely like, I am here. I have arrived. Look at me. I mean, she just flowing. She looks really good. Once again, this is 14 inches on this side and then 12 inches on this side. I am loving the elongated look. I think it looks really cute. You could definitely kind of like tuck some of this hair behind if you do not want, you know, that flowing in your face, and it's still gonna look very natural. Over time, if you get tired of the longer side, you can always just kind of cut it even. I was able to install this unit using a glueless method. I put some bobby pins on this side and then I also went in with my Nairobi mousse at the top. I just kind of added like a little light swoop right here and it's laying down really well. And then I put the elastic band on top just to kind of let everything dry down and blend in. And the lace on this looks really good. I mean, wham bam, thank you ma'am. I put a little bit of powder up in this area. Also put some powder into the parting space area just to help it brighten up a bit more. But the lace is definitely doing its job. This is their tinted lace. I have any issues with it melting into my skin or wearing it glueless, and even outside I feel like it still looks really good. As shedding and tangling goes, I did receive a little bit of shedding with this unit, especially after I cut it because I did have to go on the side and cut some of that lace down. So it's not really shedding much. I might be getting like 1 or 2 strands, nothing too heavy right now. As far as tangling goes, I'm not getting any snags at the moment. The hair feels really nice and soft. However, from what I noticed, when Yaki texture starts to get old, you will start to get some snags at the ends. So you want to go in and make sure you wash it really good and also condition those ends at your serum end. And I'm also noticing some frizziness going on like right in this area. I did notice a lot of flyaways at the top, but like as I turn to the side, I'm noticing a little bit of frizziness. You probably can't see it on camera, but I did have to go in with that wax to just kind of lay it down because it's just right on this side. Am I getting it on this side? No, it's just like right on this side where it's going on at. Overall, this unit is really cute. She's cute, but she's thick. But I like that they went in and already plucked the hairline. You don't have to worry about going in and bleaching your knots. And the cut on this is gorgeous. What you guys think about this unit? If you are feeling it, I am gonna make sure to leave a link down below, and I'll also leave a coupon down below if I have one, because you know Rpgshow, they're a little bit on the pricier side. Also, I do not want to forget to tell them happy anniversary. It is their 17th anniversary. They have been around for a while and they continue to improve. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.